Hello everyone, welcome to Work Smart Essentials, your channel for mastering Excel and essential workplace skills. Before we begin, please like this video, subscribe to our channel and do comment below to let me know what you want to learn next. Let's get started. In this video, we gonna cover very important things like how to round off the time to the nearest 30 minutes, how to convert time into decimal hours, and then how to convert the decimal hours back into proper time format. So, if you work with attendance data, timesheet, billing hours, or anything related to time in Excel and struggle with the rounding offs and working of the timing in the Excel, here is the video for you. So, let's get started. So here in the data, see what do I have? I have the arrival times, that is 5th of August 2025, and see various times are there, right? Now, what do I want to do is round off to the nearest 30 minutes. So see how it's done. The formula for this is m round equal to m round, open bracket, select the cell that we want. So B3 is the number that we are trying to round off. Next, what do we want to round off to? We want to round off to nearest 30 minutes. So, double inverted commas, 0, colon, 30, close inverted commas, and close bracket. So, that's how we work on this. So, see, this is the formula. Let's see what result do we get. Press enter and see 10:17 a.m. converts to 10:30 a.m., which is right. So now let's drag it down. See, everything gets round off properly. 6:28 p.m. becomes 6:30 p.m. See, 10 a.m. is already in the 30 minutes format, so it stays at 10 a.m. So I hope you are clear with this. Now, how to find decimal hours? So for example, if we are trying to work on the payroll things, and we want to know how much a person has worked, how many hours have they worked for. So see, how do we do this? So equal to end time minus the start time. Okay, this is the fraction of the day. So we will close bracket and press here open bracket, and then multiply it by 24 to get the time hours. So see, it is 4.25 part of the day. So that is 4 hours and 1/4 of the day. So which is right. So let's drag it down. Oh, hold on. Here we have got negative number. Why did that happen? This happened because see, the start time is in the evening 5 p.m. and then it ends at 3 call 04 minutes in the AM. So it's past midnight. That is the reason. So okay, this won't work because this is wrong. So let's see how do we do this. So open bracket, end time minus start time plus open bracket, again end time is smaller than start time. Okay, enter. Now press one more end bracket and convert this complete thing into one bracket. So see, everything is in brackets. Now multiply it by 24. So see, again we have got 4 hours and 1/4 of the day. Drag. So see, when the time is beyond 5, beyond the midnight, I'm sorry, then this is the way you do it. So here is the formula once again for your reference. So I hope you are clear on how to find the amount of time a particular thing has worked for, or for a particular person has worked for. This is very useful for the payroll thing. Now, to convert this into proper time format, like we have the decimal thing available and now we want to convert this data into time. So how do we do it? Now select the decimal hours divided by 24. Now see here, this is how you get the time. Why did this happen? Like for example, I'll do it here, but you will not, we will see, will not get the time format. This is the result you gonna get, right? So now how to convert this data into time? See, you go here into number formattings, general, you click here. Now you go into more number formats, then go into time and select the time format that you want. So that is this one, and press OK. So see, it has converted to time formatting. So that's how you do it. So I hope you are clear with the video. So if you like the video and if you found the video useful, do like the video, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.